Welcome to another Beastie Adventures production in partnership with Shutterking Visuals, Opposite Lock and Frontrunner. We're heading to the Frontrunner workshop to get the much anticipated Wizerd Jimny Snorkel. Something that can be easily installed on your own, but I highly suggest you get it done by a professional. Drilling holes into your vehicle is something you can't turn back from. So what makes a Jimny Snorkel so important? This is for those avid adventurers who'd like to get out there in the dusty and often wet environments. It assists with increasing the height of your Jimny's air intake, as well as ramming air directly into the intake, which some often say is not the case. It also allows you to absorb cleaner air, less dust involved into the intake, which means less frequency of you having to clean your intake filter. Overall, a Jimny Snorkel has a lot more benefits than just turning your Jimny into the much loved submarine. I'd like to thank special thanks to the Frontrunner team for a great install, the Opposite Lock team for this amazing snorkel, as well as Shutterking Visuals for always having my back. If you like this video, please click the like button, subscribe and comment.